Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel, The Maths Booth. Today I am here with a midterm examination model paper. So today I have come across this model paper that is just a practice paper which will help you all to score good marks in midterm examination. So this is one sample paper which I received from the group. Let us solve this midterm model paper 1, okay, for 24-25. Class 10th Maths. Total marks they have given 80. So let us begin this paper. Four alternatives, that is multiple choice question. Choose the correct alternatives and write the complete answer along with this letter of the alphabet. So the first question here is AB is equals to HL, then the value of H is. AB is nothing but two alphabet. Here I'll solve. A into B is equals to HL is nothing but H into L. The value of H is equals to AB upon this L, multiply will become divide. So this is the correct option. Let us see which is the correct option here. Option C is correct. H is equals to AB upon L. So this is the correct answer. Let us see the second answer here. In the figure, a polynomial y is equals to p of x is represented through a graph. The number of zeros of polynomial is. Let us find the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. Because we should see this graph intersect x-axis at how many points? That is called the number of zeros. 1, 2, 3. So the correct answer is here 3. That is C, 3. Let us see the third answer, third question. The value of x in x square minus 25 equals to 0 is. Here the options are given. Let us solve. What is the question actually here? X square minus 25. We know x square minus 25 is nothing but 5 square. So a square minus b square formula. A plus b, a minus b. X plus 5, x minus 5. So x is equals to plus 5, it becomes minus 5, and x is equals to minus 5, it is plus 5. So the answer is plus and minus 5. Let us see where we have plus and minus 5 option. Yes, here we have A, option A, x is equals to plus minus 5. So option A is the correct answer. Fourth one, x plus ky is equals to 4 and 2x plus 4y equals to 12 are pair of parallel lines. They have given parallel lines. Then the value of k is. Okay, let us find the value of k here. So we all know that condition for parallel line. Okay, two lines are given, that is x plus ky is equals to 4 and 2x plus 4y is equals to 12. Okay, this is A1, B1, C1, A2, B2 and C2. Okay. So condition for parallel lines is nothing but they have told they are parallel lines, right? So condition for parallel line is A1 upon A2 is equal to B1 upon B2 not equal to C1 upon C2. Okay. Let us write A1 value, nothing means 1. 1. A2 value 2 is equals to B1 value k and B2 value 4. Okay. Let us cross multiply. 2 into k, 2k, 4 ones are 4. So k is equals to 4 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. K value we got 2. Let us check in multiple choice question now. Yes, correct option is B, 2. Next question. The standard form of quadratic equation is, we all know the standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Here minus is there, so this is not correct. Ax square plus bx plus c. Option B is correct option. Next question, question 6. Here the question 6 is, they have given AP, minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 are in AP, then the common difference is. Okay. Here we will solve. Minus 1, minus 3, minus 5 are in AP. Okay. So first A1 value of A is always first term is A minus 1. D is equals to, but they have told common difference. D is nothing but second term minus first term. D is equals to second term is minus 3. This formula minus I'll keep as it is. A1 is nothing but minus 1. So D is equals to minus 3 as it is, minus minus plus. D is equals to minus plus, we have to do minus 3 minus 1 is 2, but bigger number sign is minus, so the common difference is minus 2. Let us check. Yes, common difference is option A, minus 2. Seventh one. Distance of the point minus 3 minus 4 from x-axis is. If we find the distance from x-axis, we get the answer as minus 4. So distance from x-axis is nothing but minus 4. Option B, minus 4. If they would have asked distance from y-axis, then we can say the answer is minus 3. But they have asked x-axis, so the answer is minus 4. Let us see the next question. Distance between a point 4, 3 from the origin is. Okay, we have an origin formula, so let us solve that. D is equals to root of x square plus y square. We know this formula when the origin and point is given. So the point is 4, 3. The value, this is x and this one is y. So D is equals to root of 4 square plus 3 square. D is equals to root of 4 square is 16 plus 3 square is 9. D is equals to 16 plus 9 is 25 and root 25 is nothing but 5 unit. The answer is 5. Let us see. Distance between plus 5. Yes, correct. Option A is the correct option. Let us see the question number 9. Answer the following question. Here only we have to answer the following question. Here the question is state fundamental theorem of arithmetic. So we all know that fundamental theorem of arithmetic is nothing but, I have written here, every composite numbers, it states that every composite numbers can be expressed as a product of primes, and this factorization is unique except for the order in which the prime factors are written. That means we can write the prime factors in any order, in many order. Like for example, prime factorization of 12. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So this can be written 3 into 2 into 3 and then 3 into 2 into 2. So the order can be changed, that they have told here. Okay, so every composite number can be expressed as a product of primes. So these are the product of primes. For example, I had given actually the statement we have to write from here to here. They have told to state, right? Next question is express 210 as a product of primes. Let us express this 210 as a product of primes. I have written 210. So as a product of primes, we can use here 5 table as well as 2 table. So if we go for 2 table, I can write 2 tens are 20, 1 carry, 2 fives are 10. Okay, then I'll go for 5 table because or 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 1 carry, 3 5s are 15. Okay, then 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. So the product of primes of 210 are 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. This is the answer for product of prime for 210. Okay, write the degree of cubic polynomial. We all know the cubic polynomial standard form is ax square plus ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is the cubic polynomial and the degree is highest power in this, that is 3. Okay, let us see the next question. Find the distance between px1 y1 and qx2 y2. This is nothing but formula, distance between these 2 points. So formula D is equals to root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula, distance between these 2 given points. Okay, the 13th one question we can see here in the figure. The figure is given here. ABC, triangle ABC or BAC is similar to QPR. What they have given 13th one question, triangle BAC is similar to triangle QPR. As we know that if the 2 triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are in proportion. So let us write their corresponding side AB by PQ. is equals to AC by PR. Now what they have told to find PR. We don't know PR value. Okay, AB value we can see they have given 5. AB value they have given 5. So I'll write AB value 5. PQ value. So here AC value is 3 and we have to find PR. So we can cancel here 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So PR into 1 is nothing but PR. 2 threes are 6. So we got the value of PR is nothing but 6 centimeter. Let us see the next question now. 14th one. 3, 1 and 1 comma minus 3 are in AP. Find fifth term. Okay, let us see now here. They have given AP. I'll write AP 3. This is the question number 14. 3 comma 1 comma 1 minus 3 are in AP. Okay. Find which term? Fifth term. A5 we have to find. A value 3. D value second term minus first term. So D we got minus 2. Now we know formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 D. What they have told us to find? Fifth term. A5 is equals to A value 3 plus N 5 minus 1. D value is nothing but minus 2. 3 plus 5 minus 1 is 4 into minus 2. 3 plus minus minus 4 twos are 8. 3 minus 8 is nothing but minus 5. So we got fifth term is nothing but minus 5. Next question, let us see. 15th question number 15. Square and rectangle are non-similar figure. Why? Give reason. Because square have all 4 sides equal and rectangle are opposite sides equal. So they are not same figure. I can draw and show you here square. We can say it is all 4 sides equal and rectangle is in this shape. So they are not similar. Okay. Question number 15 that was. So 16, let us see what they have given here. State AAA similarity criterion. Here only statement we have to write. That is, here I have written already. So I'll show you what is AA similarity criteria states. We all know that in two triangles, if corresponding angles are equal, then their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Hence, the two triangles are said to be similar. Okay. Now, here I have solved till question number 16. In my next video, I am coming up with question number 17. So, do like and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.